What's on the menu for dinner tonight? I think you should try this crawfish and shrimp fettuccine. Meet me in the kitchen. Let's make it happen. First things first, we're going to season up some shrimp with my AP and some Cajun seasoning. Next, we're going to add that to a skillet with some melted butter because butter makes everything better. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our crawfish. Give that a mix to combine. Add a little fresh chopped parsley, then use a slotted spoon to remove the seafood. Then we're going in with the Cajun Trinity, which is celery, onions, and bell peppers, plus a little fresh garlic and 1 teaspoon of lobster base. Give that a mix. Then we're going in with some flour to thicken things up like you if you eat too much pasta. Now we're going to add the heavy cream, bring that to a simmer, followed by some creme fraiche because why the hell not? We're here for a good time, not a long time. Next, we're going to add some grated Parmesan cheese and some shredded fontina because it's delicious. And now we're going to add the seafood back to the party, followed by the cooked fettuccine. Give that a mix. Make sure you season to taste. And now it's time to plate this up. Brace yourself for a trademark money shot. Say it with me, guys. Looking good. All the specific measurements and ingredients are in the caption. Now it's your turn to make it happen.
If you find this valuable, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It would mean so much. Thank you so much for watching.